What's up, everybody? Quick video. If you have a Smith & Wesson M&P M2.0, you may have had difficulty finding a full-size holster for it. Now, I've found other holsters, but they seem to stop right about there, so that's free. So I found one off eBay and I thought I decided to give it a try. So let's do a quick safety check. As you see, there is no magazine in there. Let's go ahead and flip this over, and there is nothing in that chamber, so we are all clear. We are all clear. So what I was looking for was an outside of the waistband holster. Let's go ahead and open it up. Here we go. Okay. We have made in the USA. It's always a great thing. And it looks like it has the form. And who's this from? This is from Swift Draw Holsters. Safety tip: remember, always test fit firearm before first use of holsters. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's go ahead and test fit this. All right. Okay, it fits. And what I wanted, it is covering the entire length of the barrel, as you can see, poking right through there, but that's okay. Now, these are adjustment screws that you can adjust the tension with. I may put a little bit more tension on here, but I believe this is called a snap holster. And I will be ordering a gun belt, so got this off of eBay for about 50 bucks. It's made in America, and we're with the Swift Draw holsters. Let's see, retention screws need adjusted prior to use. We shall do that. But, so a success. This is outside of the waistband holster, and it completely covers the pistol. All right. Success. Finally found one. See you next video.